Unlock the secret formula to conquer anger and hate once and for all. Imagine a world where every interaction, every experience is simply a reflection of yourself. When faced with anger or frustration, pause and consider. What if the person or situation that triggered these emotions is just another version of yourself, living in a different reality shaped by their own experiences and perceptions? Picture waking up from this life and realizing that every hurtful word, every harmful action was directed towards yourself. Would you still harbor anger and hate, or would you extend compassion and understanding? It's time to recognize the interconnectedness of all beings and treat others as you would want to be treated. The key to unlocking this understanding lies within you. Will you embrace it? Unlock the timeless wisdom shared by prophets, sages, and spiritual leaders across cultures and religions. From the teachings of the Prophet Muhammad, who declared that killing one is like killing the entire world, to the words of Jesus, who urged love and compassion for all, every faith tradition offers insights into our interconnectedness. In Buddhism, we find the principle of interconnectedness expressed through the concept of dependent origination. This is because that is. Jewish tradition speaks of tikkun olam, the idea of repairing the world and recognizing our responsibility to one another. The Hindu scriptures remind us of the divine essence within each being, captured in the phrase tat tvam asi, meaning thou art that. These teachings converge to deliver a profound message. We are not separate entities but integral parts of a unified whole. Embrace this universal truth, and you'll discover the key to transcending anger and hate, replacing them with empathy and understanding. This message is not exclusive to any one faith. It is a call to humanity, echoing through the ages and resonating in the hearts of all who seek peace and harmony. Join us on a journey of self-discovery, where every teaching, every insight leads us closer to the realization that we are indeed one. In this shared understanding lies the path to a world of compassion, empathy, and unity.